In this video, I will walk you through the simple process of adding collaborators to your Adobe Express projects so you can work together more efficiently. Collaboration is a key part of any creative workflow, and Adobe Express makes it incredibly easy to bring others into your design space. To get started, you first need to have your project open in the editor. Once you are ready to invite someone, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you will find the Share button. Click that button to open up a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you should select the Invite option, which will open a new window where you can manage access. In the text field provided, simply start typing the name or the email address of the person you want to add to the project. If they are already in your organization or contacts, their name may pop up automatically. After you have entered their information, you need to decide what level of control they will have over the design. You can set their permissions to either can edit or can comment. Choosing the Edit option allows them to change elements, add text, or swap images, while the Comment option is perfect if you just want someone to provide feedback without altering the work. Once you have selected the appropriate permission level, you can even add a short message to let them know what the